Welcome to this program, and this chapter is one of the simplest chapter, and you can get full marks in the TRB as well as Polytechnic examination. You can expect more than 10 questions, and all the questions are maybe very easy, and if you understand the concept very well, you can answer all the questions in a correct manner and get 10 out of 10 in this chapter. Now we are going to discuss about the answer for these questions. Question number 1. The intermediate involved in the reaction given below. It is a photochemical reaction. In this, the first step is the removal of N2 leads to the formation of carbene is the intermediate. After that, alkene is added, you will get the product. Therefore, the carbene is the intermediate during this course of the reaction. The correct answer is D. Question number 2. The reaction given below is an example of. Here 4 options are given. The first one is 1,3 sigmatropic hydrogen shift. B 1,3 sigmatropic methyl shift. C 1,5 sigmatropic hydrogen shift. D 1,5 sigmatropic methyl shift. Let's consider this equation. Initially the hydrogen in 5th position. After the rearrangement, the hydrogen will be in the 5th position. Therefore, the migration of hydrogen from 5th position to the 1st position. Therefore, it is an example of 1,5 sigmatropic hydrogen shift. The correct answer is C for this question. Question number 3. The relative rates of solvolysis of iodide A to C are. Here we have to consider the stability of carbocation as well as the neighboring group participation in these compounds. For this question, the option A is correct. C is greater than A, which is greater than B. Here the presence of oxygen and the neighboring group participation in the compound C, and the intermediate is also more stable. The C will undergo solvolysis greater than the compound A, which is greater than the compound B. And in compound A, the carbon is a secondary, and in compound B, the ionization is very slow due to the presence of double bond. Therefore, the correct option is A. Question number 4. The major product formed in the following reaction. Here, orthochloroanisole is treated with the NaNH2 in liquid ammonia. You can expect 2 types of product. One due to ipso substitution and another due to the syn substitution. Due to steric hindrance, the ipso substitution is not possible. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. This is due to the syn substitution. Question number 5. The structure of the starting material A in the following photochemical Norris reaction. Here we have to find out the substrate or the reactant A, and here it is an example of the Norris one type mechanism. Here it is a photochemical reaction, and the substrate C is the reactant for this reaction. There is a possibility for the Norris one type of reaction here. Therefore, the answer C is correct here. Question number 6. The correct statement from the following reaction: A. Aromatic ipso substitution. B. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution. C. Aromatic electrophilic substitution. D. Aromatic free radical substitution. Here the option A is the correct answer. Aromatic ipso substitution. You look the substrate, the leaving group is F and the nitrogen is attached the position of the leaving group F. Therefore, it is a best example for aromatic ipso substitution. You may think another point, it is also aromatic nuclear substitution. It is also correct, but the best, you have to choose the best option. If you choose the aromatic nucleophilic substitution, it is the general reaction, the general point of this reaction. But if you tell aromatic ipso substitution, means it is the apt answer for this question. Therefore, for this question the correct answer is A. Question number 7. The following photochemical transformation proceeds through. Here the best example of Norris type of 2 reaction. Here first is the substrate is treated with photochemical light and it forms a 1,4 biradical intermediate. After cyclation it gives the product. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is Norris type 2 reaction. Now the question number 8. Among the following ester, the one that undergoes acid hydrolysis fastest is. Here the correct answer is B. Here also you have to consider the neighboring group participation, and due to the neighboring group participation of OH group, the rate of solvolysis is high in the compound B. Question number 9. The reactive intermediate involved in the following reaction: A. Carbocation, B. Carboanion, C. Free radical, D. Arene. The correct answer is D. From the substrate, HNBr is removed from the benzene ring and it forms an intermediate which is arene. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. Arene. 10. The most appropriate mode of cyclization in the following reaction is. Here there is the possibility of 2 types of reaction. One may be photochemical reaction, the another may be thermal reaction. If it is a photochemical reaction, 4 pi electrons are involved disrotatory in photochemical. At the same time 6 pi electrons are involved, it becomes disrotatory in thermal reaction. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. If it is a photochemical reaction, 4 electrons are involved, it is disrotatory. It is a thermal reaction, 6 electrons are involved and it is disrotatory. And it may be used for the next question also. Now consider the question number 11. The number of pi electron participating and the pericyclic mode in the following reactions are. Option A, 4 and con-rotatory, B, 4 and disrotatory, C, 6 and con-rotatory, D, 6 and disrotatory. First look, it is a thermal reaction. We already told if it is a thermal reaction, 6 electrons are involved. Therefore, the option A and B are incorrect. Now you consider C and D. Already we have discussed the option D, 6 and disrotatory is correct. Therefore, it is a thermal reaction, 6 electrons are involved and it is a disrotatory reaction. The correct answer is D. Question number 12. The intermediate for the following reaction. A. Free radical, B. Carboanion, C. Carbocation, and D. Arene. The correct answer is A. It is a bridged compound. The free radicals are generated at the bridged position by the removal of COOAG group. Therefore, the intermediate for this reaction is free radical. Option A is correct. Question number 13. The correct order of rate of solvolysis in 80% of ethanol at 25 degrees C. Three compounds are given A, B, C. You know very well the rate of solvolysis mainly depending upon the intermediate during this course of the reaction. Here the leaving group is removed, the leaving group is same. If the leaving group is removed, a carbocation is formed. The stability, the rate of the reaction mainly depends upon the stability of the carbocation. The carbocation of C, which is greater than the carbocation of A and which is greater than the carbocation of B. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Here you have to consider the stability of carbocation C greater than A greater than B, and the rate of solvolysis also increases if we move from C to B. The correct answer is D. Question number 14. The mechanism of the following transformation involves. First you look at it is a photochemical reaction and it is an example of 2+2 cycloaddition. Therefore, the answer D is correct. A 2+2 cycloaddition followed by disrotatory electrocyclic ring opening reaction. This is the correct answer for this question. Question number 15. The correct order of the rate of the following reaction. Here there are two types of reactions are given. The first two follows Benzene mechanism. The second two, 3 and 4 follows SN2 or SNAR mechanism. Here we are going to consider for the reaction 1 and 2. The I group is the best leaving group than Cl. Therefore, the rate of K1 is greater than K2. In the third and fourth reaction, here the electronegativity of the group should be considered for the SN2 reaction, and if F is more electronegative than I, therefore more electrophilicity is created at the leaving group center, then K4 is greater than K3. The correct answer for this question is B, and the explanation is also given in the next slide. Here K1 and K2 reaction proceed through Benzene mechanism. The rate of the reaction depending upon the leaving group, I is greater than Cl. Therefore, the rate of the reaction is K1 is greater than K2. In the case of K3 and K4, the reaction proceeds through addition-elimination reaction, SNAR mechanism. The more electronegative substituent creates more electrophilicity and the nucleophile will attack easily. Therefore, K4 greater than K3. The correct answer is B. Is called as syn substitution. Therefore, for this question, answer A is correct. One due to ipso substitution and another due to syn substitution. Question number 17. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding Norrish 1 process. It involves the fission of alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon followed by elimination, and it is correct. B. It absorbs light from N2 pi star excited state with CC cleavage of acetone to form acetaldehyde, methane, biradical and hexane 2,5 diene at room temperature. It is also correct. C. At elevated temperature, it vapor-based acetone generate CO and ethane. It is also correct. And the fourth statement, the thermal decomposition via SN1 state is the most efficient and the quantum yield is close to zero. It is wrong. Therefore, the first three statements are correct. 1, 2, 3 are correct and the correct answer is C. But the fourth statement is wrong. The decomposition via S1 state is most efficient and the quantum yield is close to 0.5. For this wrong statement, the correct statement is the decomposition via T1 state is the most efficient and the quantum yield is close to 0.5. Question number 18. Choose the wrong statement from the following regarding Norrish 2 type process. Here, the aliphatic ketones undergo this type of reaction to give alkane and ketone. It is wrong because the aliphatic ketone undergoes this type of reaction to give alkene and ketone. That is correct. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 1. A is the wrong statement. For this wrong statement, the correct statement is aliphatic ketones undergoes this type of reaction to give alkene and ketone. And the next important key points regarding Norrish 2 type process is the aliphatic ketones having gamma hydrogen undergo this type of reaction. 3. It proceeds through a 6-membered cyclic transition state followed by the abstraction of gamma hydrogen. D. The disappearance of starting ketone and appearance of the products are simultaneously. Therefore, the point B, C, D are the key points of the Norrish 2 type of process. Question number 9. Choose the correct answer regarding Norrish type 3 reaction of cyclopentanone from the following. Here we have to choose the correct answer. The question and that is point number 1. It involves N2 pi star excitation of carbonyl group followed by alpha fission. It is correct. 2. The resulting biradical may abstract beta hydrogen to form an saturated aldehyde. It is wrong. 3. It eliminates CO to generate new biradical which gives cyclobutane and ethane. It is correct. 4. It involves intramolecular hydrogen abstraction with alpha cleavage. It also correct. Here the correct statements are 1, 3 and 4. The wrong statement is 2. For this wrong statement, the correct statement is the resulting biradical may abstract beta hydrogen to form an unsaturated aldehyde. This is the correct statement for this one. Option D is the correct. Question number 20. Here, alkyl nitrites having alpha hydrogen atoms form a 6-membered cyclic transition which result to an oxime 2 nitrosodimer is known as. The option is C, pattern reaction. It is the correct answer for this question. Question number 21. The reaction given below or the reaction is well known as the 1 may be Pattern reaction, the B Battano-Butch reaction C. Norwich 3 reaction. D. Cheletropic reaction. The correct answer is B. Paterno-Butch reaction. Question number 2. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding cheletropic reaction. It is a very important reaction and you can expect the question from this type of reactions. A. It is a type of pericyclic reaction. B. It involves a transition state with a cyclic array of atoms and an associated cyclic array of interacting orbitals. C. It involves the rearrangement of sigma and pi bonds in the cyclic array. And the fourth one is, it is an example of the cheletropic reaction. Here the cyclic ketone, bicyclic ketone gives benzene and carbon monoxide as a product. All the 4 options are correct. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. 23. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. A. Cheletropic reaction is an addition of an singlet carbene to alkene to make a cyclopropane. It is correct. B. The singlet carbene add stereospecifically to alkene and alkene stereochemically is retained in the cyclopropane product. It is also correct. C. The mechanism of addition of carbene to an alkene is a concentrated 2+2 cycloaddition. It is wrong. D. It is also favorable to mix the carbene p orbital with the filled alkene biorbital. Therefore, the wrong statement for this question is C. For this wrong statement, the correct statement is the mechanism of addition of a carbene to an alkene is a concerted 2+1 cycloaddition reaction. 24. Choose the correct product from the following electrocyclic reaction. Here E Z E octa 2, 4, 6 triene con rotating. Here the correct answer is B. Trans 5, 6 dimethyl cyclohexa 1,3-diene. It is the correct answer for this reaction. Question number 25. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding electrocyclic reaction. 1. It is a pericyclic rearrangement in which one pi bond being converted into one sigma bond and vice versa. 2. The reaction can be neither ring opening or the ring closing. C. In thermal ring opening reaction of cis 3, 4 dimethyl cyclohexane yields 6 trans hexa 2, 4 diene. It is also correct. In thermal ring opening reaction, trans 2, 3 dimethyl cyclobutene yield trans cis hexa 2, 4 diene. It is wrong. Therefore, the statements 1, 2, 3 are correct. Therefore, the correct answer is option 3. For this wrong statement, the correct statement is in thermal ring opening reaction of trans 2, 3 dimethyl cyclobutane yields trans hexa 2, 4 diene. Question number 26. Which of the following reaction involves nitrene as an intermediate? Here, option A is the correct answer. In the Curtis rearrangement, nitrogen is an intermediate, but all the other 3 rearrangements, Wagner-Merwin rearrangement, phenol-phenolene rearrangement, dieno-phenol rearrangement. The 19 is not an intermediate. Correct answer is A. Question number 27. The migrating order of alkyl aryl groups to the intermediate carbocation in phenolene rearrangement is, the correct answer is A. A. Para-anisile greater than para-toluene greater than phenyl greater than alkyl group. Correct answer is option A. Question number 28. Give the product of the following reaction. It is a very good example of the phenol-phenolene rearrangement. Here we have to consider the migrating ability of the group is in the order phenyl greater than Me3C, which is greater than MECH2H. But the migrating ability is greater for the phenyl group. Therefore, the option A is correct. The phenyl group migrated from the second carbon to the first carbon. Therefore, the option A is correct. 29. Choose the correct statement from the following recording Bayes-Williger oxidation. Here, the option 1, the reaction involves the oxidation of ketone to ester lactones by paralysis. Correct. 2, in symmetric ketone, the group migrates, which is more electron releasing. It is also correct. 3, the equation is given, that is a ketone is treated with an paralysis, it gives ester. Here the product is wrong. 4, among the aryl groups, the migrating order is P-anisile greater than P-toluetyl is greater than phenyl is greater than para-chlorophenyl. The correct answer is D. The statement 1, 2, 4 are correct. The statement 3, the product is wrong. The product among the alkyl group, the order of migrating is tertiary is greater than secondary, it is greater than primary, and it is greater than methyl group. The product should be CH3, COO, C, CH3 thrice C. That is the correct product for this reaction. Option D is correct answer. Question number 30. Which of the following is used to trap the benzene intermediates in aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction? That is the question. The option A is NaNH2 in liquid ammonia. Option B, furan. Option C, tetracarbonyl nickel. Option D, acetonitrite. Here the correct answer is furan. The furan is used to trap the benzene intermediate in aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. And the benzene reacts with the furan, it forms 1,4 epoxy 1,4 dihydronaphthalene. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is B. Question number 31. Choose the correct product for the following reaction. Parachlorotoluene treated with NaNH2 liquid ammonia. What is the product? Here option C is correct. One may be para-toluidine, the another one is meta-toluidine. Here the para-toluidine is due to ipso substitution and meta-toluidine is due to syn substitution. Therefore, two products are formed. The correct answer is C. Question number 32. Elimination addition mechanism is also called. Here, this type of reaction, the answer is Benzene mechanism. Elimination addition mechanism is also called as Benzene mechanism. Option C is correct. Question number 33. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. 1. The electron withdrawing group NO, NO2, CN, COH, CHO, COR at ortho and para position will facilitate the rate of the reaction. 2. The reaction releasing group like NH2, OH, OR are present at ortho and para position will decrease the rate of the reaction. It is also correct. 3. In SN2 mechanism, a negative charge develops on the rate of the carbon in nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is also correct. And 4th, it proceeds through a transition state. It is wrong. Therefore, the option A is correct. 1, 2, 3 are the correct statement. The fourth one is wrong statement. For this wrong statement, the correct statement is it proceeds through a carbon anion intermediate is the correct answer. Question number 34. Choose the correct product from the following reaction. It is an example of, we can say, the reaction through Benzene mechanism. Here the correct answer is A, and it is also an example of syn substitution. The amino group prefers to be in the meta position to avoid the steric hindrance when it will be in the ortho position. Therefore, option A is correct. Question number 35. Choose the correct product from the following. Chlorobenzene is heated with the methyl cyanide in the presence of NaNH2 ammonia. Here, the reaction is also known as cyanomethylation, and it proceeds through the attack of carbon ion on benzene intermediate. Here, the correct answer is C. The S1 solvolysis in alkyl halide is highly favored. 4 options are given. Here you have to consider the stability of the carbocation. In compound C, due to the very small angle and steric hindrance, the leaving group is removed very easily, and this 1-methyl-1-chlorocyclopentane cation is more stable than other cation. Therefore, the S1 solvolysis of the compound C is highly favored compared with other compounds. Option A is correct. Question number 37. Which one of the following does not undergo SN2 reaction? A. Vinyl halide, B. Allyl chloride, C. Chlorobenzene, D. All of this. Here the correct answer is D. Vinyl chloride, allyl chloride and chlorobenzenes do not undergo SN2 reaction. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 38. The Hopf rearrangement is an example of. It is a well-known reaction. Therefore, the option A is correct. The Hopf rearrangement is A 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement, and this question is repeatedly asked in TRB as well as the Polytechnic examination. Question number 39. Which one of the following is most reactive towards SN-AR mechanism? And this is aromatic nucleophilic substitution. The aromatic nucleophilic substitutions is favored if the electron withdrawing group present in the compound. In compound D, there are 3 electron withdrawing group NO2 group, and which enhance the aromatic nucleophilic substitution. Therefore, answer D is correct for this question. Question number 40. The rate of solvalysis of the following A to C compound is in the order. 3 compounds are given. Generally, the rate of hydrolysis depends upon the stability of the intermediate. If we consider the stability of an intermediate, A is greater than C, which is greater than B. Therefore, the correct answer for this reaction is B. Question number 41. The rate of solvalysis of the following compound by SN1 follows. For SN1 reaction, we have to consider the stability of the intermediate. If the intermediate is more stable, and the rate is also increases. In the following substrate, the substrate 2 intermediate is more stable than 4, and which is more stable than 3, and which is more stable than 1. Therefore, the rate of solvalysis for the substrate 2 is greater than 4, which is greater than 3, and which is greater than 1. The correct answer is B, 2 greater than 4 greater than 3 greater than 1. Question number 42. It is the best example of phenol-phenolcholine rearrangement. Here the correct answer is D. The migrating ability is in the order of H greater than aryl greater than alkyl. The migrating ability of H is greater, therefore the option D is correct. Question number 43. And which of the following reagent when treated with an alkene gives diol? Here option A, osmium tetroxide, B, HiO4, C, CH3COO, lead tetraacetate, and all of this. The correct answer for this D. All the reagent A, B, C when treated with alkane gives diol. Question number 45. Trans 3,4 dimethyl cyclobutane thermal reaction gives option A cis 2,4 hexadiene, B cis trans 2,4 hexadiene, C trans 2,4 hexadiene, D the mixture of A and C. Here the correct answer is C. It is a thermal reaction. Therefore, the trans compound give trans 2,4 hexadiene. Option C is correct.